Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have started exercise 1.1 in integers chapter and we completed one problem also. What is the problem? It was about the temperature in different places in India. Now, we are going to second problem. I am reading the question, listen carefully. In a quiz, I think everybody know what is a quiz. In quiz, there will be different groups and we will be asking questions to the students and they will be giving answers. Depending upon the answers, they will get different scores. That is a quiz. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers. If the answer is correct, the students will get positive answers. And negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Negative marks, minus marks. Negative means minus. Minus marks are given for incorrect answers. Now, a student by name Jack participated in the quiz and he participated in 5 rounds. How many rounds? 5 rounds. Now, here in the problem they are giving the score of Jack in each round. After completing the first round, he got plus 25 marks. After completing the second round, he got minus 5 marks, minus 5. After completing the third round, he got minus 10. After completing the fourth round, he got plus 15. After completing the fifth round, last round, he got plus 10 marks. Now, what should we find? This is all given information. What they are asking us to find? They are asking at the end of the program, means after the 5 rounds are completed, what is the final Jack's score? Understood the question? Now let us start the answer. Marks Jack scored in first round. In first round, how many marks did he score? It is 25. See, in beside any number, if there is no sign, you should think that it is a positive number. Here I am writing, but even if I don't write also, if I write only 25, you should understand that it is plus 25. Now, marks Jack scored in second round. In second round, what is the Jack's score? It is minus 5. Minus 5. Now, marks Jack scored in third round. In third round. In third round, Jack scored minus 10. Now we are going to fourth round. Marks Jack scored in fourth round. How many marks did Jack score in fourth round? Plus 15. In the question they gave only 15. When there is no sign, you should understand that it is positive sign. Marks Jack scored in fifth round and this is the last round. How many marks did Jack score in fifth round? It is plus 10. Plus 10. So 5 rounds are completed and we have done the score in 5 rounds. Now last step. What was the Jack's score at the end? Now Let me explain to you. I am writing here in rough work. Listen very carefully. I am writing the score. Plus 25 plus 15 plus 10. Do you know why I wrote these three numbers separately? I did not include these two numbers. I have written only first number, fourth number and fifth number. I have written them separately because those three are having same sign. All these three numbers are having positive sign. So, I told you already, when the numbers have same sign, we should do addition. Same sign. If all the numbers have positive sign, then also we should do addition. If all the numbers have negative sign, then also we should do addition. Same sign. So, all these numbers have same sign. So, I am going to add these three numbers. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So, 0 in 1's place. 1 is carried in 10's place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 50. Understood? Now, I am going to take these two numbers. Minus 5, minus 10. Minus 5, minus 10. See, these two numbers also have same sign. Same sign means addition. Same sign means addition. Same sign may be positive also, we have to add. If it is negative also, we have to add. Same sign means addition. So, I am going to add this. But for the final answer, sign will be minus. If all the numbers are positive, answer also will have positive. If all the numbers are negative, answer also will have negative sign. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 as it is. So, now we got only two numbers. One number is plus 50, second number is minus 15. Now, I am going to write the last step. Observe carefully. Jack's total score. Jack's total score. Now, plus 50 minus 15. Now, you observe carefully. 50 sign is positive. 15 sign is negative. When the signs are opposite, what should you do? Subtraction. I am doing rough work here for subtraction. Plus 50 minus 15. I have told you when the signs are opposite, you should not see the signs. Simply do subtraction. 0 minus 5, we have to borrow. 5 becomes 4, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, which is the bigger number, 50 or 15? 50 is the bigger number. Now, what is the sign 50 has? Plus sign. So, answer also will be plus. Understood clearly? If the signs are opposite, close the signs, do subtraction. After getting the answer, the sign which is the bigger number has the same sign, answer also will have. So, what is Jack's final score? Jack's final score is plus 35. I will explain the problem once again. Listen very carefully. This is about a quiz program. In a quiz program, one student Jack participated and the program was conducted for 5 rounds. After every round, they are giving information what is Jack's score. After first round, plus 25. After second round, minus 5. After third round, minus 10. After fourth round, plus 15. After fifth round, plus 10. Now, we have to find his total score. These are the scores in individual rounds. In first round, he scored plus 25. That is separate. Second round -5, that is separate. They are giving separate marks for each round. Now what they are asking? They are asking what is his score after the 5 rounds are completed. Now what did I do? I have taken the positive numbers separately and I have added them. I have taken the negative numbers separately and I have added them because same sign means addition. Same sign. Same, all are same sign. So addition. These two numbers also have same sign. So addition. Now at the end, this number and this number I have written here. These numbers have different sign, opposite sign. Opposite signs means subtraction. So plus 50 minus 15, 35. And the big number has positive sign. So answer is also positive. Yes students, now we are going to next problem. Third one. I am reading the question, listen carefully. This is about temperature. Just like first problem, now here also is about temperature. At Srinagar, do you know? Srinagar is a place in Jammu and Kashmir. At Srinagar, temperature was -5. Srinagar is a very cool place. So, on Monday, the temperature recorded in Srinagar was -5. Means it is below 0 degrees. Less than 0 degrees. And what happened? Next day, Tuesday, it still decreased by 2 degrees. Decreased by 2 degrees. Now, we have to find what is the temperature on Tuesday. That is first part. Second part, on Wednesday, temperature increased. How much increased? It increased by 4 degrees. So, now in second part, they are asking what is the temperature recorded on Wednesday. So, now let me start the problem. First, I will write the temperature recorded in Srinagar on Monday. Temperature recorded in Srinagar on Monday. -5 degrees Celsius. Small 0, capital C. -5. Temperature recorded was -5. Now what happened on Tuesday? Temperature, listen very carefully. Temperature decreased. Dropped. Temperature dropped by how much? 2 degrees. Temperature dropped by 2 degrees on Tuesday. Temperature dropped by 2 degrees. See here, the meaning of the word drop is minus sign. Dropped means minus. Increased means positive. Decreasing means negative. Now, next what happened on Wednesday? So, now temperature recorded on Tuesday. Means after the temperature reduced by 2 degrees, how much will be the temperature? We'll write it. Let me write the next step also. Temperature rose means increased. Temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Now, last step. Temperature recorded on Wednesday. Now, I am going to explain this problem using number line. It will be very easy for you to understand. Observe very carefully. Yes. Now, this is the number line. Listen very carefully. Temperature recorded in Srinagar on Monday. This is Monday's temperature. Monday it was -5 degrees Celsius. Temperature dropped means still decreased. So when it is decreasing, you should go left side. When it is increasing, you should go right side. So by how many degrees it decreased? 2 degrees. So 1 degree, 2 degree. So what is the temperature on Tuesday? I am writing here -5 degrees Celsius, -2 degrees Celsius, that is equal to -7 degrees Celsius. I write here -7 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature recorded on Tuesday. Dropped means we should go left side. So I went left side. How many degrees we should go left side? 2 degrees. So 1 degree, 2nd degree. So -7 was the temperature on Tuesday. Now temperature rose. Rose means increasing. Increased by how many? First of all, when we are hearing the word rose, we should go right side. How many steps we should go right side? 4 steps. So observe carefully. I am starting from here. Tuesday. This is the temperature recorded on Tuesday. Now I should go 4 steps towards right because increasing. First step, second step, third step, fourth step. So what is the temperature recorded on Wednesday? -3. I write here -7 degrees Celsius plus. Why I am using the symbol plus? Because they are giving rose. Rose means increasing. Plus 4 degrees Celsius. So final answer I am writing here -7 plus 4. How much? -3 degrees Celsius. I will explain the problem once again. Listen carefully. Yes, now I will explain the complete problem. Listen very carefully. Temperature recorded in Srinagar on Monday -5 degrees Celsius. Temperature dropped. This is the temperature on Monday. On Tuesday, what happened? Temperature dropped. Dropped means we should go backward. So I went 2 steps backward. Why did I go 2 steps backward? Because temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So -5 degrees Celsius, -2 degrees Celsius. When the signs are same, addition, and -7 degrees Celsius is the temperature recorded on Tuesday. Now, what happened on Wednesday? Temperature rose. See my hands? Rose means increased. So, when the temperature is increasing, we should go right side. From where we should start? We should start from -7. And temperature increased by how many degrees? Temperature increased by how many degrees? 4 degrees. So from here 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. So what is the temperature recorded in Srinagar on Wednesday? -3 degree Celsius.